Good morning, students. We are studying chapter number 8, Structure and the Function of Living Organisms and Plants. Last time we had started two important parts of plant, the root and the shoot system. Root आपका क्या है, which is below the soil and it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. And shoot part is above the soil, having stem, leaves, flowers, seeds and the fruits. Last time we had discussed first part, stem. Stem क्या? It is the important part of shoot system. It grow upwards above the ground. It bears leaves located at regular interval और इनको क्या बोलेंगे हम? Nodes. And portion between the two nodes, एक leaf के बीच में difference और second, is said to be your internodes. Stem is the strongest part of the plant. Later than it was converted into a trunk. Trunk is the thick part bearing brown covering outside the stem, that is said to be a bark. It provides protection to the stems. So last time we had discussed very important what are the function of stem. ये क्या रखता है? First of all, it keeps the plant upright and straight. और फिर क्या करता है? Transfer water and minerals. जो absorb करती है root, it transport all the water and minerals to different parts of the plant. Also it store foods. It transport food prepared by the plants in the leaves to all part of the plants. It hold the plant in such a way that it obtain optimum sunlight for performing the function. What function? That is photosynthesis. And since we know that why photosynthesis is necessary, it is necessary to manufacture food. The stem of young plant when green can perform the process of photosynthesis to manufacture food. So on the basis of this we are having your worksheet. Not worksheet, we are having worksheets. Your activities, activity number 3 and activity number 4. So first we talk about activity 3. Take a potted plant. Place the pot in an inverted manner so that the stem appears to grow downward. You can see in the picture, potted plant लेना है आपने, ठीक है, और pot को क्या करना है? Invert करके रखना है. Potted plant placed in a sun in an inverted manner. ठीक है, बाकी उसको सब कुछ प्रॉपर मिलना चाहिए, सनलाइट उसको प्रॉपर मिलनी चाहिए, बस हमने क्या किया? पोट को उल्टा करके रखा है डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में. Do not disturb the pot for a week. After a week, you will notice that the stem of plants has taken a bend from its new position and it is now growing upward. ठीक है, इसको एक वीक तक आपने पॉट को बिल्कुल छेड़ना नहीं है, इन्वर्टेड ही रखना है. फिर आप देखोगे व्हाट इट स्टार्ट. The plant's part, the stem part of the plant, it start moving upward direction. So this observation reveals that the stem always grow upward towards the light and away from the gravity. ठीक है, so this is one of the very simple and important activity. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, पॉटेड प्लांट लेना है, उसको उल्टा करके रखना है. ठीक है, 1 वीक के बाद यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व, डेली भी आप ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हो. देन व्हाट यू विल सी आफ्टर अ वीक, इट स्टार्ट टू चेंजिंग इट्स पोजीशन. तो यू कैन सी इन सेकेंड फिगर. तो स्टेम क्या? इट स्टार्ट ग्रोइंग अपवर्ड टुवर्ड्स लाइट. मीन्स स्टेम आपकी लाइट की तरफ ही बढ़ती है. ठीक है, हालांकि हमने इसको पॉट को उल्टा रखा है तो ऐसे ग्रो करना चाहिए नहीं. इस एक्टिविटी से क्लियर होता है कि दैट plants or stem parts always grow upward towards the light and away from the gravity. So you can do this activity in your scrapbook and also paste the picture of this activity. After that, activity number 4. Take a twig and put it in a bowl of colored water. ठीक है, एक आपने ट्विग लेनी है और उसको ये देखो बाउल है, इसमें हमने कलर डाला है रेड, उसमें इसको डिप करना है. कीप द लोअर कट एंड डिप्ड इन द कलर्ड वाटर फॉर 2-3 days. ठीक है, नीचे से इसको कट करना है और कलर्ड वाटर में ये जो हमने रेड कलर बनाया हुआ है बाउल में, इसको 2-3 days के लिए रखना है. What you will observe? You will observe that this stem and the leaves present on it have becomes colored. You can see ये ट्विग है, इसको आपने कलर वाटर में डिप किया तो इसका कलर क्या था, देखो लीव्स का कलर, स्टेम का कलर ग्रीन था. बट आफ्टर सम टाइम 2-3 days when you will observe, you will see the color of stem and leaves going to be changed. It will become red. It shows that stem transport water and minerals to different parts of the plant. So this observation helps us to conclude that water is transported through the stem to the leaves. अभी हमने पढ़े थे फंक्शंस के बारे में स्टेम के. It plays a very very important role. With the help of this activity, we can prove that stem transport water and minerals, ठीक है, to different parts of the plant. So very important and interesting activity. You can do it yourself at your home. After that, modification of the stem. In some plants, the stem performs some special functions as well. Such stems are called modified stem. They are of the following types. ठीक है, so modification in the stem. You can see important function. First है stem that stores food. In some plants like ginger and potato, the entire stem remains underground. ठीक है, टोटल स्टेम, आपकी पूरी स्टेम जमीन के नीचे रहती है. Only leaves and the flowers are seen above the ground. Only we can see flower in the leaves part. The underground stem stores food. ठीक है, जो स्टेम है अंडरग्राउंड which stores food. As it is present below the ground, it looks like a root. However, it is a stem as it has nodes, internodes and scale leaves. लगती है हमें रूट की तरह, जड़ की तरह लगती है, but actually में it is a stem because it is having nodes, internode and the scale leaves. After that, stems that provide support. Some plants like grapes and pea have a very weak stem since they cannot stand upward. They are transported by the thin, long, spring-like structure are called tendrils that grows from the stem. Tendrils coil around some external support, such a pole or the branches of the trees. You can see plants of grapes and pea, they have very very thin stem. तो ये क्या करते हैं, they cannot stand at their own. ठीक है, स्प्रिंकल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है जिनको टेंड्रिल्स बोलते हैं. और ये टेंड्रिल्स क्या करते हैं, अराउंड जो भी कोई प्लांट है या स्पोर्ट है उसके अराउंड ठीक है करते हैं, अपने आप को बांध लेते हैं. ठीक है, यू कैन सी स्टेम टेंड्रिल्स लाइक दिस. यस. आफ्टर दैट, स्टेम दैट मैन्युफैक्चर फूड. इन सम प्लांट्स सच एज कैक्टी, द स्टेम इज लीफ शेप्ड, fleshy and green. Such a stem manufacture food for the plants in the absence of leaves. You can see cactus plant. ये इसकी spine part है. This is the green stem. तो ये आपकी क्या है, एक तरह से स्टेम ही है, ठीक है, जो लीफ की शेप में होते हैं। और ये क्या करते हैं, इट स्टोर फूड फॉर द प्लांट इन एब्सेंस ऑफ लीव्स. So these are the modification part of the stem. So this is all about today. Thank you and have a nice day.